We are going to go over our meal plan next. We left off on Christmas Day. I went to my sister's house. We were kind of lazy and didn't do much on the 26th and 27th. Made ham and beans in my Instapot last night. Tonight we had leftovers. Tomorrow we're gonna have chicken cobbler. Over the week, on Saturday it's New Year's Eve and we're gonna go out to eat. Sunday is New Year's Day. We're gonna have egg rolls. On Monday, January 2nd, I said June. I think I'm trying to get rid of the cold. So on Monday, January the 2nd, we're gonna have taco salad. On Tuesday the 3rd, we're gonna do pulled pork sliders. On Wednesday the 4th, we're gonna have breakfast for dinner. On Thursday the 5th, we're gonna do a new Sloppy Joe's recipe. On Friday the 6th, we're gonna have leftovers. And then that rounds out the week. For Saturday the 7th, we're gonna go out to eat. Hey guys, I have a bonus video for you today. I'm gonna do my grocery haul and meal plan. I have been at Aldi's and at Walmart. So we're gonna start right here. I'm doing all of the cold and the frozen and the produce stuff first so that I can get those put away. I've got 4 containers of whipped topping. There's a couple desserts that I wanna make, and I need to restock my freezer from the holidays. I bought a couple of frozen entrees, the roast turkey and the fettuccine Alfredo. During the winter, I don't like to get out of the house, and if I haven't made dinner the night before that has enough leftovers for my husband and myself, then I just like to grab something really quick. So I've got 2 of those. I have seen several YouTubers with this garlic chicken voila frozen meal. I have not tried that yet, and I kept forgetting about it until I saw Becky from Stay at Home Mom Life with Becky's haul yesterday, and I was like, I've got to put that on my grocery list. So I'm really looking forward to trying this voila garlic chicken meal. My husband wanted some taquitos. Another frozen meal was the beef pot roast bowl from Marie Callender's. I actually tried this last week. It was surprisingly good, and the portion was a good size. We're trying these mini deep dish Red Baron pizzas. I've got a little cheapy meal here from Banquet, this Salisbury steak. I actually got 2 of those. Another Red Baron pizza that we're gonna try is the French bread. We traditionally get another brand of the French bread pizzas in the orange box that I cannot remember the name of them right now, but my Walmart did not have those. Moving on, we needed a couple small cans of the biscuits for quick breakfast ideas. Purchased some lunch meat. I bought some off the bone ham, and my husband requested some bologna. From Aldi's, I grabbed some sour cream. The price was better, some cream cheese, and some butter. Their butter is significantly cheaper than my Walmart. I also finally got one of those cheese graters that everybody has that just sticks to your cabinet top. I was so envious, and I got one of those for Christmas. So while I was at Aldi's, I stocked up on brick cheese. I got 2 bricks of the mild cheddar, 2 bricks of the Colby Jack, and 2 bricks of the mozzarella. So definitely looking forward to having some fresh cheese. My husband did request some slices of cheese, so we have some sliced Colby Jack and some sliced provolone. I got 2 gallons of milk. I got 1 at Aldi's and 1 at Walmart. The date, this one is January the 12th, this one is January 16th. Surprisingly, the milk was a penny more at Aldi's than it was at my Walmart. $2.47 and $2.48. So still really close in price. For produce, I needed onions. My husband had requested some sweet potatoes. He's also gonna try one of these chopped salad kits, the Caesar dressing one. I think somebody at work has had one of these and told him how good they are. This one has the romaine lettuce, the shredded Parmesan, the crumbled garlic, and the Caesar dressing all included. So we'll be looking forward to see what he thinks about that. He needed some red onions, some Dole bananas. I wanted some more ambrosia apples. We're gonna make taco salad, so I needed some tomatoes, some lettuce, and then we always just like to have cucumbers on hand. We got this box of navel oranges from Walmart. I got some chocolate instant pudding, some vanilla instant pudding, chocolate fudge Pop-Tarts and strawberry Pop-Tarts, peanut butter crackers, Nutty Buddies, egg noodles, 2 packets of the thick and zesty dry spaghetti mix, milk chocolate cocoa, 12 count of the Keurig pods, iced oatmeal cookies, some mini marshmallows, Parmesan cheese, 2 cans of SpaghettiOs, goldfish crackers, cream of chicken Campbell's soup. We needed some bread, Catalina dressing and Thousand Island dressing, Doritos, flour tortillas. I got 2 of these hamburger helper mix. I was really looking for the chicken Alfredo that I saw on someone's grocery haul, but my Walmart did not have it. So I'm gonna try this chicken fried rice, and I know that I like the deluxe beef stroganoff. We don't eat these very often, but with it being winter, we always have the meat to do it, and if we're just being lazy and don't want to cook or do not want to go out, then these make like great lunch options. Linder's bagels, slider buns, Townhouse crackers. My husband wanted some of these spearmint drops. Carmelos are one of my favorites, and I've never seen the miniature bags like these, so I'm gonna try those. 2 Heath bars, and peanut brittle bite that my husband wanted. We got a 40 count of drinking water from Walmart. We bought 2 non-food items at Aldi's. I got this 24 by 36 mat. I'm gonna put this as you come into my back door. We recently had some bad weather and all kinds of salt and just dirt and everything just came inside. So I'm hopefully gonna be able to get it caught on this. And then I saw this TikTok hack that I'm going to show you in a minute with these hooks. So stay tuned for that.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. Sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, yeah. Baby, without I wouldn't know.
I don't know where you came from. I don't know what you did to my heart. You touched my soul like a phantom, and you did it right from the start. Like nobody is watching what we're doing. Like nobody is watching us. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through everything we step into, we're dancing till we get lost. Far from rules, how to feel it. We know that fast isn't always the best. Sometimes your turns makes me dizzy, but with you I don't need the contest. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through everything we step into, we're dancing till we get lost.
All right, guys, as we finish putting these groceries away, I just want to take a minute to thank you so much for sticking around and seeing our meal plan, our grocery haul, and seeing everything get put away. Definitely appreciate you spending time with us today. Also, as a reminder, I'll be back tomorrow with another video. And most importantly, don't forget, Jesus loves you.